You see these dramatic before and after videos of Autogo foam cleaner removing tough stains instantly, so I checked it out for you. We're going over what it really is, what people say, and if it's worth trying. Autogo foam cleaner is a multi-purpose spray foam for car interiors, upholstery, dashboards, leather, and household surfaces. You spray it on, let it foam, and wipe. The company claims it lifts deep dirt, grease, and stains with no rinsing needed, leaving a fresh lemon scent. It's marketed as a powerful, easy detailing solution, but in reality, it's a standard foaming cleaner. So now, let's check the site legitimacy. The main sales sites have been around for about 3.6 years. Griddensoft and Scam Advisor both give it a solid 7,100 trust score. Trustpilot and independent reviews are still limited, but overall trust signals are better than most new gadget cleaners. Support is email-based, and they offer a return policy. User experiences are mixed. Some people say it works well for light cleaning and everyday dirt. Others report it doesn't remove tough stains as shown in the videos and feels like a basic soap solution. Common feedback: decent for maintenance, not a miracle deep cleaner. Pros: easy spray and wipe format, pleasant scent, decent trust signals for the category. Cons: premium price for a basic cleaner, results vary, and marketing is heavily exaggerated. One important consideration: this is a standard foaming cleaner. It can help with light dirt and maintenance, but for heavy grease or old stains, you'll still need elbow grease, microfiber towels, or stronger professional products. The viral videos often show ideal conditions. So after everything, here's my recommendation. Autogo foam cleaner appears to be a legitimate basic car cleaning foam with reasonable trust signals. It may be worth considering for light interior maintenance if you want something convenient, especially with the 7,100 trust rating. However, don't expect miracle results like in the ads. For serious detailing, this video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making a decision. If this helped, drop your thoughts below. See you next time.